Now I'm going to explore writing to the console. So console.writeline means to tell the computer to print the sentence enclosed within the parentheses out onto the console. So let's take a look at this in the working together section. In the Replit window below, we're going to press run and see that the hello world is printed out to the screen to below, which is the console down here. So if we press run, it's going to execute and it's printing out hello world. In this next step, without removing the quotation marks, let's try to change hello world to another sentence and then press run and we'll see if anything changes. So I'm going to get rid of this hello world and I'm going to change it to I can code. Let's run this and see what happens. There we go, it prints out I can code. Awesome. Okay, step 3. Let's add another console.writeline below the current line to print a second sentence below the first sentence. Here we go. Console.writeline coding is fun. And remember to always add that semicolon at the end. Let's see. Run. Cool, that also printed out. If there are any issues and you see any red text, let's take a look at the warning down here. Help, I got a lot of red text. Well, this means that there are some errors. So you can take a look at the debugging page at the end of this tutorial. But here are some common issues that may come up. You may have put a lowercase c in console or a lowercase w and l in writeline. So if that happens, you may see an error like this, where it says the name console does not exist in the current context. We know what line it is by this first number here, so we know the issue is on line 6. So that may help you in trying to debug an issue. Other issues that may occur, there may not be a semicolon at the end of the line, and so if we run something like this, we'll get an error that looks like this, unexpected symbol console. Make sure the sentence you wish to print is surrounded by quotation marks and the sentence is between parentheses. And do not delete any of the curly braces. So any of those may be causing issues. So double check all of those, and ideally when you press run, everything should work.